Hello, my name is Mignus. I'm the Chief Whimsical Skedaddler of the Turkana Expeditionary Society. And this is our roadkill rack. It's a barbecue rack. It's lightweight and it's made for people that travel, that go places. But as you know, most adventure riders will go on about an 18-gram titanium bolt. It must be super lightweight. And then they go and pack stuff that's enough that you can open a new store of outdoor warehouse in Botswana. That's normally how it works. You don't need to pack a 4.5 kilogram stainless steel thing that fits into each other that you carry on the back of your bike. We South Africans, we know how to barbecue. We live like that. You need a multi-tool, you need a barbecue grit, some wood and meat. That's it. That's life. That's what we do. Roadkill rack is basically a 304 stainless steel rack that has got two little feet, and it's electropolished, so it will keep its shine. You can burn it, put it back in the bag and use it again. It also comes with a sturdy little bag that we made, like all our other gear. It's got a lifetime warranty that you can pack it in. It's got 4 loops on the back that you can tie down on luggage pannier racks inside. It's flat pack because it fits like this. And this thing will go anywhere. We have one, the previous version, that traveled since 2009 with us on a bike, and we've used it many times. But this is the best barbecue grit. It's very simplistic, but that's the genius about it, is that that's all you need. You don't need to pack half your life in a bag just to have a barbecue. And the other thing I need to mention, this can take 5 kilograms. So for guys that really wants to pack a 5 kilogram patty or a 5 kilogram tomahawk steak, you can barbecue it on this thing. This is the Turkana Roadkill rack. The next project is a barbecue tong. Well, this one, I'm not sure it's gonna fit, but what do you guys think? This one or a proper stainless steel one?